Hello, my lovely friends. Today we are turning this into this. Let's dive in. We actually drew this chicken together in my sketchbook club. If you are into drawing fun characters and want step-by-step guides, illustration tips, sneak peeks at my sketchbook, or just chill art hangout, come check out the club. Links down in the description, and I love to see you there. First, switch the sketch layer blend mode to multiply and create a new layer underneath it. Pick a blue color and paint the background. I love leaving a bit of texture for that handmade feel, so I'm using the painted wall brush. Grab your eraser and draw a closed circle. Use the selection tool to auto-select inside the circle, invert, and then 3 fingers swipe down to clear everything outside. Make a new layer, clip it to the blue background and paint the ground. At the end, don't forget to sketch in some grass details here and there. Create a new layer, switch to yellow and trace the chicken's outline. Auto-select around the chicken, invert and fill in the yellow body. Add another layer, Procreate, and color the comb, wattle, beak and legs. Switch to white and paint the eyes. Clip a layer above the yellow, set it to multiply and add shadows. Duplicate the layer to deepen the shadows and paint the extra shading as needed. Create a new layer, set multiply, clip it to yellow layer and paint the wings and tail in brown. Create a new layer, set multiply, clipping mask and paint the chicken's rosy cheeks. Create a new layer, set multiply, clipping mask and use a yellow-brown to hint at feather details and then tweak the layer opacity. Above the red layer, create a new layer, set screen mode, and with red color draw details on the beak and the legs. And my favorite part, the final details. Create a new multiply layer at the top. Use the pencil brush to deepen shadows and refine. This gives a nice handmade feel. For the right color, use the eyedropper tool and select the darkest tone from the part of the picture you are currently painting. Create a new layer, set screen mode and paint little white belly feathers. Create a new layer above the grass, set it as multiply and draw light green details on the lawn. Create a new layer and paint the dark green plants. Add another layer, set it as multiply, and doodle in plant details. At the end, adjust opacity to your taste. Above the blue background, create a new layer, switch it to screen, and paint white clouds. Move the clouds around with the selection tool until you like the layout. At the end, tone down the opacity. Well friends, if you enjoyed this, don't forget to swing by the Sketchbook Club for the full drawing tutorials, plus all the extra tips and behind the scenes fun. Can't wait to draw with you.